curiosity, just pulled up the specs on the stove. This one is a little bit larger than the one in front. That's at about 12 inches long.